Here we are live from Pack Mountain. Drive through Packland in this forest track. The most talented driver is Toad. What thrilling techniques will we see? Toad, rocket start. What a deadlock. Luigi, Toad, I can't believe the moves this kart has made. How thrilling. Blinky, Toad, hot and exciting. Toad, shot an item. Bullseye. Blinky is falling behind. What a deadlock. Blinky, Toad, great dead heat. Toad shoots the basin. Hit! Toad picks up points in one stretch. Awesome! Ms. Pac-Man, Toad, both drivers refuse to give up. The race is at the halfway mark. Toad, cut through with speed. Toad maintains the top spot. Blinky evades the attack. What skill! Toad is pulling away now. Toad, how quick a solitary journey. Now on to the final lap. Toad is now on top. There is no way to lose. Toad, rivals are left completely in the dust. Toad, fast, too fast. Toad is easily pulling away from the number 2 kart. Toad in top and final corner. Wow, fast, really fast. The winner is Toad. Massive victory.